Rizal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be showing you guys how I did this makeup look right here. Pangalawang beses ko tong film kasi yung unang film ko hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari, pero I was about to edit it and hindi ko nahanap yung mga clips, and I am pretty sure na transfer ko siya sa lapi ko. For some reason, hindi ko siya mahanap. So yeah, iba yung top ko sa Instagram picture na pinost ko kaysa sa ngayon kasi nga magkaibang video yon. I have this smoky like green makeup look going on. Please do let me know if you want me to do more makeup looks because I actually really enjoyed it. I actually am really happy with the look that I came up with, and lahat ng products na ginamit ko is from Sephora PH. I will leave all the information below, all the links. And yeah, without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys how I came up with this makeup look right here. Let us begin. I will be using the Sephora Smoothing Primer and just apply it all over my face. As you guys know, this is my favorite primer currently. And then I will go ahead and apply my favorite foundation as well. This is from Too Faced. It's the Born This Way foundation. I will leave the links below, guys. Everything with the shade and all that. Again, lahat ng to galing sa Sephora PH. I am just blending this foundation all over my face using my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Next up will be the brows. I will be using this Benefit Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil. Again, the shade will be below. I forgot. I think this is number 4. So I am just basically outlining my brows and then filling it in. I actually really like this eyebrow pencil because it has a spoolie. So I am just using the spoolie to brush the inner corners of my eyebrow. And then let's proceed to the eyeshadow. I will first apply my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Just applying that all over my lids. And then taking my Suiva Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette, I will be using this Bitter Start shade right here just to set the eye primer that we applied on the lids earlier. And then moving on to the Substitute for Love shade. This is a, as you guys can see, a really kind of like orangey light brown shade. I will be using this as my transition shade. So with a blending brush, I am just applying that on my crease, and as you guys can see, I'm blending. It's gonna look chaka at first, guys, but nakikita nyo naman yung isang mata, okay naman siya. So at first hindi siya ganun kaganda tingnan, pero once na-apply na lahat ng eyeshadow, magiging okay din siya in the end. And then taking this Freshly Toasted shade, I'm just applying it on my crease as well. Plus I also applied that shade on the outer corner of my eyelid. And then I am taking this Nude Sticks Magnetic Matte Eye Color. I really like this eyeshadow, you guys. It really makes the eyeshadow on top of it pop, especially the green. You will see that later on. But I'm just applying this on the lids where I will put the green later on. Now I am taking this Sephora Colorful Long Lasting Eyeshadow in the shade Fingers Crossed. This green though, I really like this color. Like sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. I'm just applying that over the Nude Sticks magnetic eye color that we applied on the lids earlier. And then I'm just going back to the Freshly Toasted shade and just make sure that it is well blended on the crease area. Like make sure na hindi sobrang harsh tingnan yung gap ng green at saka ng brown, you know what I mean? And then with a fluffy blending brush, I am taking again the Substitute for Love shade and make sure na well blended siya. Now I am taking this Beans Are White shade. Ito yung very dark brown na shade sa palette. I'm just applying that on the outer corner of my eyelid like so. And then as you guys can see, I'm going back to that brown shade just to again make sure that the eye look is well blended. And now with the same dark brown color, I am just applying that on the lower lash line, just the outer part. I'm not putting it all the way in. Now I am using my Sephora Contour Eye Pencil. This is waterproof. It's in the shade Never Too Late. I also really like this shade. It gives like that green color that we applied on the lids, like life, really. I'm applying that on my lower lash line. Again, not going all the way in. And then I'm tight lining with the same eyeliner as well. To highlight the inner corner of the eye, I am using this shade sweeter end and just apply it on the inner corners. I really like this shade as well. Now I'm using my Suiva Cat Eye pen in the shade Blackest Black and just line my lids. Yeah, the struggle is real here. Now I am curling my eyelashes and then I will put on false eyelashes as well. I cannot do that on camera, so I did that off camera. I'm using again the sweeter end shade and apply it on my brow bone to highlight the brow bone. And then for the last time, going back to the Substitute for Love shade with again the fluffy blending brush and just blending it on the eyelid like so. Now I'm applying mascara on my lower lashes and that's it for the eye look, guys. Now let's proceed sa face. I am just applying this Born This Way concealer on my under eyes and then on some parts of my face as well, and just blending it using my Miracle sponge again. Okay, this is a bit of a fail because I should apply this after I apply my powder, but I applied it before. I am using my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil and I'm not a pro at this, like hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ko dyan, but I am just applying it on that part of my face, like cheekbones, no, under the cheekbones, basta dyan, guys, and then on my forehead as well. Now this is it, the powder. I am using the Sephora Micro Smooth powder and just apply it all over my face. I am using the same powder here, just different brush, and just make sure that my concealer is set. And I went back to my bronzer and retouch my bronzer because again I put powder over it. But yeah, onto the blush. I am using this Becca Luminous blush in the shade Camellia and just lightly apply it on my cheeks. This is really pigmented, so I just lightly dab it on my cheeks like so, and I love this blush. So pretty. Now onto the highlight. I will be using the Too Faced Candlelight Glow and I'm just using this shade right here, yung may pagka pinkish na shade, and just apply it on the high points of my cheeks and then on my nose bridge and of course on my Cupid's bow. And then sa lips na tayo, I am using my Sephora lip liner to go in the shade Deep Brown and just lining my lips and actually filling in my lips with that lip liner. Over it, I'm applying this Suiva Pure Lacquer Lips in the shade Unrefined. This liquid lipstick alone is way too light on me. I honestly do not like the way it looks just by itself. That's why I decided to fill my lips with the Deep Brown lip liner. And I really like how it turned out. And we are done. That is it for my makeup look. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, please like this video if you want to see more. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, vegan. Bye!